are, Halloween Horror Nights. So a couple years ago, there was a little pumpkin before one of the haunted houses. Everyone kept putting it up on social media and stuff, and it became known as Boo. So Universal's kind of capitalizing on it. All right, they have some really cool shirts this year. Wow, look at that. Deathly original. So decent. All right, chaos. All right, so we got our wristband, and now what we do with our wristband is we go to a stay and scream area. So let's try to find one. If you don't like people, you definitely don't want to come to Halloween Horror Nights because there's people everywhere. If you burn pretty easy, you probably don't. Probably going to be standing in the sun for a little bit. So now we're going to go to a stay and scream. And basically, we're going to hang out in the little scream zone until the haunted houses are ready, which will be in about an hour, maybe a little bit earlier. I don't know yet. Oh, there's Rip Ride. Or what's left of it. They've been taking it off piece by piece. Ooh, look at those chips. Twisted chips. Alright, I might have to get that later. Oh, this must be the 1920s area. City Police Department. It's a bunch of green stuff on it. Old lady at Cedar Point, I found your green stuff. Go beer on me. Oh, you're back. Welcome back. Yeah. Welcome. Alright, Revenge of the Mummy time. I got a fast pass for tonight, but I don't even know if it's going to be able to be used on Mummy yet. So I think it's just for tonight for Halloween Horror Nights. So we'll just do the single rider line here. There's Boo. Dude's gonna have his own haunted house before you know it. Guaranteed. More Boo stuff. Let's see if they have anything different than what was in the other place. Oh, looks like they do. All right, let's see if I remember right. We got Freddy Fazbear. We got Foxy. We got, oh, I don't remember his name. And we got, okay, it's horrible, Cupcake. Sadly, I had to call my daughter about the other two. But there's Freddy, there's Foxy, there's Bonnie, and there's Chica. Well, that shirt's $80, man. I can't get that, no way. So there's Fallout. There's a pass holder. Ooh, look at that. Nah, we're good on that. A little bit too much going on. Oh, excuse me, buddy. My bad. All right, let's see here. They got a whole nother section of stuff. But with all this stuff, do they finally have t-shirts for the Mummy? I'm gonna guess not. They do have some pretty cool stuff here, though. Wow. Jewelry. Here we are. It's Freddy Fazbear. Five Nights at Freddy's. Look at the backpack. Ooh, those are nice. Not $50 nice, but they're nice. There's Terrifier stuff. They got Terrifier Christmas stuff. Alright, maybe we should try to find ourselves a scare zone, or try to find ourselves a stay and scream area. So first things first, we're gonna try and get into Five Nights at Freddy's and try and get into Terrifier and all that. Alright, we're heading over towards Five Nights at Freddy's, Terrifier, and whatever the other one is. So that's the line for Five Nights at Freddy's. 180-minute wait right now, and they're giving people a return time of 8 o'clock. Lots and lots and lots of people. I'm in the express lane here. Looks like it's still maybe a 15-20 minute wait or something like that. We'll see. All right, Five Nights at Freddy's. We're gonna give Five Nights at Freddy's an 8 out of 10. Really, really, really good haunted house. The animatronics were by far awesome. The actors, like the little kid actors running around with knives and all that, perfect touch to the movie. I guess we're going to Grave of Flesh next. Oh no, it opens at 6. That's at 5:43. There's a 60-minute wait for Terrifier, so you know what? Let's do Terrifier. So here's a wait for Terrifier house, and it's about a 60-minute wait. That's actually not too bad. All right, Terrifier house. We're gonna give it a 9 out of 10. They definitely held nothing back in that house. It's a bloodbath. It doesn't matter. You're gonna get wet no matter what way you go. Some people say if you pick one way, you're gonna get wet, you're gonna stay dry. You're gonna get wet throughout that whole thing, just a little bit. But at the end, yeah, it's a bloodbath. You can definitely get really, really wet. I ran through it though. Well, we're right next to Grave of Flesh. So we might as well check that one out. 30 minutes. So for Express, it's got to be pretty quick. Let's try it out. All right, Grave of Flesh. We're going to give it a 7 out of 10. Really, really good. It was a lot of fun. Actually got scared in, which was nuts. So next we're going to go to WWE. All right, we got a 35-minute wait for the Horrors of Wyatt 6. Well, at WWE, we'll give it a 6 out of 10. I had no context for everything. It was great. It was fun. But, you know, it was a little bit less than the other ones. All right, so I'm guessing the other one is over here somewhere, the entrance to it. So let's see if we can find it. Look at the sheer chaos, guys. Let's hit it up before it storms out. The line for this one is all outdoors. All right, I'm not gonna stop and talk about this one, but I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. I was really happy with it. Probably one of my favorite studios to actually have a haunted house in. I remember when it was like the Fisherman or whatever that was a while back. That was phenomenal. That's probably one of the best haunted houses they've ever had here. We're gonna try and make our way over to the other haunted houses. Look at everyone coming in now. Wow. Tell me that's the line for Death by Cheese Stick. Look at this zombie trying to give away her fries. Oh no. Oh, that's how I feel walking around right now. Ooh, Hollywood makeup shows going on. I've been in that. Once you've seen it once, you've seen it. Now we're going through spooky Simpsons land. This is really cool. You know what? It'd be awesome if they like themed the land like it was Halloween in Simpsons land. And like Bart and everyone was like around trick-or-treating. All right, what do we have here? It looks like we have another haunted house to go to. This one is Hatchet Chains Demon Hunts and Hunter. 45-minute wait. The scariest part about this haunted house is the fact that it looks like we're about to enter Simpsons. The scariest, most sickening ride here. So we're in Express. God knows, I don't know where it's leading us. It's like we're going around this way. I really hope this just doesn't put us on the Simpsons ride. Boy, would I be ticked off. Nope, we're good. It's just going to middle of nowhere. All right, it totally looks like it's about to storm now. Now it looks like we're waiting here. So that haunted house was good. It was pretty cool. I'd give it maybe a 5 or 6. It had a couple good spots to it, but yeah, 5 or 6. We're gonna go try and hit up Nightmare Fuel. The sheer amount of people going into Nightmare Fuel is nuts. Your personal space is going to be violated while you're in line waiting for this thing. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna suck waiting around, but it's so freaking worth it. Nightmare Fuel Circus Decay is probably the best show out there when it comes to any show. All right, let's see how crowded Gálkn Alley is. It's so groggy back here. Butterbeer, 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 butterbeer. Thank you. Right, we got more haunted houses to do, but we're gonna take a little break from it. It's time for 5 Nights at Freddy's Pizzeria. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's actual pizzeria. Hi, can I get a cupcake? And I'll get a spaghetti pizza too. Whoa. I mean, this looks a lot better than the pizza at Pizza Moon. I'll tell you that. Looks pretty good.
It is good.
It's better than Pizza Moon. Oh, hi, buddy. You go night, 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 night. God, it's so different than Orlando Informer. Totally different vibe. There's just so many people here. It's crazy. We're gonna go do ET now. I don't know if there's scare actors in here. Oh, yes, there is. There's someone with a tail. Oh, this is a production of Cats. I think. Is that what this is? Oh. Alright. So, Our Lady of the Crooked Land, stanza, blah, 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 blah. Alright, let's go see some monsters. Alright. So, something about kids or something. So, let's see what we got. Such a cool area back here. What I really want is, I want to go save E.T. We got all these people here, and they're all concerned about getting to this haunted house and that haunted. But my only concern is saving E.T. All I want to do is save E.T. That's how you know that you're from out of town. Anybody who's sitting there at E.T. right now is definitely not from Florida. Wow, guys, it is so packed right here. All right, let's go down this way. Here we can see. Oh, spooky house. All right, if ET's not working, I'm going home. Okay, I should have got on ET earlier, guys. I wonder if I can change my flight in the morning so I can get on ET. No, I can't. Totally can't. So, looks like we got, oh, she almost went night, 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 night. All right, next haunted house is Dolls. I'm going to the Dolls haunted house. We're gonna give that a 9 out of 10. The Doll haunted house is freaking nuts. So, Gálkn's 35. So let's try that one out first. And there's Fallout. Looks like we're gonna be going to that one next. Gálkn, we're gonna give a 7 out of 10. Very original. Kind of short though. All right, Fallout, we're gonna give a 9 out of 10. Fallout was really freaking good. I haven't played the games before, but it was really freaking good. There were so many actors in that one. All right, it's 10:20, and we got one more house to go to, which is Halloween. Oh. Okay, that timing couldn't have been better. Wow. All right, we are headed to Gringotts. To be honest, I just want somewhere to sit. And if it's on a roller coaster, then great, we could do it. All right, did escape the Gringotts. Now we have one more haunted house to go. And it's supposed to be a pretty good one. Alright, last haunted house, 75-minute wait. Okay, we're gonna give Jason a 9 out of 10. It was really, really good. It just kept going and going and going. But the thing is, if you don't like confined spaces, that's one you're definitely not going to want to get on. It's really cool at the end, spoilers ahead, but you go through the Jason mask, and when you get through it, you go through like the Hall of Jasons, and they are everywhere. And it's so nuts. Oh, there's the police. He might be real. He is not a real cop. Oh, all right, he got me. Scare of the night. Overall, it was a great trip, and we had a really, really busy day. We started the day off rope dropping, Islands of Adventure, then SeaWorld. Then we went on the Windseeker thingy, whatever it is, and over here to Universal. So it was one heck of a day. Very long day. Very curious to know how many steps I got today. We're getting out of the park. I had a plane to catch in the morning, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys.